Are you looking for a science experiment that you can do easily at home, that your children can also do, with materials that you can get from your kitchen? I'm recommending this experiment for you. It is safe. You don't have to, protect yourself against anything. We just have to use materials that we can easily get at home, such as baking soda and vinegar. And that's all. So come on board and enjoy this experiment with me. Hi, welcome back to our channel once again, and today we are going to be carrying out an experiment that is called rainbow bubble experiment with just two major ingredients, and that's a baking soda and vinegar. Then we also have some other materials that we need. We have a color and we have water. Trust me, this is one of the safest experiments that you can ever try at home. So let's do this together, and what we need is, first, we need a baking soda. Just put some quantity of baking soda into your cup. Okay. I'm going to be adding, sorry, it can get messy. It's definitely going to get messy. Okay, so I need 1 tablespoon of water. And I'm going to mix this together. So mix this together. I'm going to add some color. This is a mixed baking soda plus water and color, and we're going to arrange them inside the tray. Make sure you make use of the tray, not the regular bowl, or something that won't allow the spread of the reaction. So you need something flat like a bowl, and we're going to spread this into the tray. This is a mixture of baking soda, water and color, and I'm going to spread it on one side of the tray. Remember, I still have about 4 colors that I'm going to lay side by side. Repeat this process for all the colors, and I will lay them side by side as well. I have all my 4 colors mixed already, and I'm going to lay them side by side inside the tray. I have about 5 colors here already. You can have as many colors as you want. And now this is where the reaction starts. Our baking soda is a base, vinegar is an acid. When baking soda and acid react together, it creates an acid-base chemical reaction, and that generates bubbles. And we are going to see that bubbles right now. Okay, so this is where the fun starts. Watch out. Thank you for making the rainbow bubbles experiment with me. Subscribe for more amazing science experiments like this. See you in our next video. Bye.